Andrew Holness, Mr. Andrew Holness, just remember that Cuba is our neighbors and our light-skinned cousins. We must not yield to the West and destroy our relationship with our family. We are one Caribbean people. And also remember that Haiti, these people are our family. That the Haitian people are our family. Let us not forget them. The Jamaican prayer warriors need to come together nationally and pray for Haiti and its full recovery, and pray for Hispaniola. Let us not forget who and what Haiti has done historically, especially as an empire in the Caribbean. It does not take away from who we are, the Maroon Kingdom, to pray and do what we can for the Haitian people. We are one Caribbean. We are one people. Let's stay united.